With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The resolving power of a microscope is basically determined by. So we know the resolving power of microscope. The formula is 2n sine theta by lambda. From this, n is the refractive index, of the medium. Then lambda is the wavelength of the light used. Now the options are speed of light used, wavelength of light used, both 1 and 2, neither 1 or 2. So we know the wavelength of light used is here, so it's here. Then the speed of light used. Now we know the refractive index. So the refractive index, it actually depends on the speed of light. See, it depends on the speed of light. We know we have studied all the basics. Hence, the speed of light used is also there. So both these factor determines. Hence, the option is both 1 and 2. This is the option.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.